हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आज व्हाट्सएप के कुछ ट्रिक्स के बारे में बात करना चाहता हूँ। पहले मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ व्हाट्सएप से। मैं फर्स्ट थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू इज़ हाउ टू चेंज द फॉन्ट। फ़ॉन्ट कैसे चेंज करते हैं उसके बारे में बात करूँगा। पहले मैं यहाँ पे जाके आई वांट टू चेंज द फॉन्ट कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं, मैं अभी इसको 3 बार दबाऊँगा। सो आई विल सेलेक्ट समथिंग लाइक दिस, देन I will again select 3 times. So this is how I will change the font of the WhatsApp. Then I want to make it bold or I want to make it italic. How can I do it? So I can do like this. I can select the font here by bold or italic. I can select bold or I can select italic. So I will select this and then I will select bold or italic. So this is how I can change the font or I can change it to bold or italic. See, abhi मैं next thing is I want to retain the chats which I have done with someone, and if sometimes I will clear the chat, so I don't want that chats to be cleared. So what I will do is I will select this chat and I will select this star. So what happens when you clear the chat, this starred messages will not be cleared. So clear all messages, clear all except start. So when you click on clear all except start, so your messages will not be cleared. So you want to retain these messages that will be there forever. So next thing I want to do is I want to see when the person has read my messages. सो कब मेरा मैसेजेस को उसने पढ़ लिया, उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, हम यहाँ पे जाके यहाँ पे सेलेक्ट करेंगे। उसके बाद यहाँ पे ए सिंबल है ना, आई, दैट सिंबल को प्रेस करेंगे। सो व्हेन आई प्रेस ऑन दैट सिंबल आई कैन सी व्हेन द पर्सन हैज़ रेड दिस मैसेज, what time he has read, and everything will be available here. So next thing I want to tell you is how can I change the notification which pops up. So when you are with someone or when you are at home, so you want others not to see your messages. So कैसे notification को ऑफ करते हैं और कैसे नोटिफिकेशन को चेंज करते हैं सेटिंग्स। सो मैं यहाँ पे जाता हूँ मेरा अकाउंट पे। सो यहाँ पे मेरा नोटिफिकेशंस टैब है, वहाँ पे जाके पॉपअप नोटिफिकेशन पे मैं चेंज करता हूँ ओनली व्हेन द स्क्रीन ऑन, ओनली व्हेन स्क्रीन ऑफ और ऑलवेज शो पॉपअप ऐसा नोटिफिकेशन में चेंज कर देता हूँ। नो पॉपअप मीन्स इट विल नॉट पॉपअप एट ऑल. So this is how it works. Next I want to tell you is how to read messages offline. So कैसे offline होके messages read कर सकते हैं. So when the notification comes or when somebody messages you, you want to read that messages but you don't want that person to know that you have read the message. So that time how to do it. So कैसे करें. So you have got the message, you don't want to show them that you have read the message. So when the message just comes, you directly go here, go to flight mode, then you will read the message. That time that person will not get to know that you have read the message. Or else you have one more option, that is, so when you go to settings, you have notification here. You will not get it, privacy. You have read receipts. If you turn off read receipts, you won't be able to see read receipts from other people. So you can see the read receipts, you can uncheck that option. This is the another option. Next one, how to change the privacy. So this is very important for some people. The display pic, DP, will be used, somebody else will use for some other purposes. So you don't want to do it. So you don't want others to use your pics. So what, how you can go to privacy, where you can change last thing, profile photo, about status. How can you change the status privacy? So you can see where you can your status can be seen by only contacts, or only with the contact except some people, or only share with whomever you like. This is how you can change the privacy of the status. The next thing I want to tell you is, if you want your chats to be deleted and you want to read after some years, so how can you do it? You can take the chart backup. You can go here, you can take the chart backup, you can click on the backup, your charts will be, you can have the backup of that chart. The next one, how will you change the media auto download? So you have the options, settings, so data and storage, where you have media auto download. You can change media auto download when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, or when roaming. So you can change the auto download. Next, when you have so many groups where you don't want to see the messages coming from the groups, or you don't want to show the pop-up or notification, so how to change? So you can go here. So this is how I have already mute the notification. How to mute is, you have this option, you can click on this option, so you will get this mute notification for 8 hours, 1 week, or 1 year. So you can click on OK. This uncheck the show notification. OK. So this is how you can mute a notification for the groups. So that will be sometimes irritating, so you can use that option. Then I can tell you some of the apps that can be helpful for you, how to use the WhatsApp groups, how to add the groups and all. So I will go to Play Store, then I will show you. So I will go to Play Store where I want to chat offline. So you have the chat offline app. Use this app. This has a very good reviews. Wonderful, but please stop some apps, ads and all. But this is a very good review. You can use this app. So you can install this app. So after installing this app, you can chat with anyone being offline. This is the one app which is useful. Next app is WhatsApp groups. So how can you add the groups? So some people are crazy about adding many groups and chatting with many people in the groups, or you want to see some of the messages, or you want to chat with people, you want to spend some time in WhatsApp. That time you can add some of the groups. So you have WhatsApp groups here. यहाँ पे जाके पहला वाला, so I have already installed this, so I can open. So it opened. So see, groups here, you can add any of your groups. So I want to add YouTube India, so I can open. So checking invite link. So you can join this group. Joining group. No, it is not happening. Let's try again. So I want to add some other group. Let's try some other group. Mumbaikar Nikhil fans. So go to WhatsApp, join group. So This is how you can add the groups. This is the Mumbaikar Nikhil fans group, so I have added to this group. So you can add multiple groups by this app. So next thing, so some people have sent you messages, and before you seeing them they have deleted this message. So how can you see those messages which has been deleted by the person? So how can you do that? You have the app. You can go to Play Store. यहाँ पे you will have the app called Notification History. This is the app which you can use it. So this is the app. So you can install this app, and when the person deletes messages, that all the messages notifications will be there inside this notification history. So you can open this notification history and you can read all those deleted messages. So I think I have given you so many tricks of how to use WhatsApp. So thank you for listening to me, and please subscribe, share for more videos and more news related to technology, related to being fit, and how to look good, and some of the music videos, concert videos. For all those videos, please subscribe my channel, please share, like my channel. Thank you for watching.